things people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.
Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace here. I'm here because I'm excited to invite you to examine my latest work, book. I've been touching it and everything, but book number 21, I Am, The Power of Self-Declaration. This book is not as thick as, say, book 19 and 20, but it's 200 pages of power in the importance of guarding your self-talk, learning how to speak directly into your life, and how important that is, because your self-talk is literally the program that your supercomputer brain will run. What you think and say about yourself has massive, enormous impact on how your life turns out. It's not a magic quotient, it is the programming of the subconscious. And you have a great deal to say about it. So you want to definitely check this out. There are going to be a number of ways you can get it. You can go online to our website at www.rickwallacephd.link and order the book directly, get a signed copy, or you can go online to Amazon. Eventually, it's going to be on at Barnes and Noble, Sony Books, and all of that over the next few days. It'll be on all major distribution channels, but definitely you want to check this book out. On that note, I just want to say thank you for always supporting my work and always encouraging me to bring you guys more. On that note, I'm out.
From a conceptual perspective, things people talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.